Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to reset administrator password in Windows. Do you want to reset your administrator password in Windows? In this video, we will learn 3 different ways to reset an admin password. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Type the control panel in Windows search bar at the bottom left, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. In the control panel window, click on the User Accounts option. Click on the User Accounts again on the next screen. You will see the administrator text below the username. Click on the Manage Another Account text link. In the next screen, click on the administrator below the username. If no password is set on the admin account, then click on the Create a Password link. Type your password in the New Password text field, and retype the password in the Confirm New Password text field. Type a password hint. Then, click on the Create Password button. Close the Change an Account window. Click on the Start Windows icon, and then click on the Settings menu. Click on the Accounts option. Click on the Sign In Options tab on the left panel. Click on the Password option from the right side panel, and then click on the Add button. Now, you can type your new password, confirm it by retyping the same password, type a password hint, and then click Next on the Next button. Close the Settings window. Open Windows Explorer. Right-click on This PC, and then click on Manage from the drop-down list. Click on the Local User and Groups from the left panel to expand it. Click on the Users folder. Select the username from the right side panel and right-click on it. Click on the Set Password option from the drop-down list. Click on the Proceed button. Type your new password and then re-enter your password to confirm it. Click on the OK button to set the new password. Close all the opened windows. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.